showers in the morning, then a chance of showers. Weather message. For the following county, Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Monaca to Leetsdale to 8 miles west of Imperial, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Butler, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Monaca, Shaler Township, Hampton Township, Robinson Township. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 20 and 45. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 29 and 58. Parkway North between mile markers 3 and 13. These storms have a history of producing damaging wind gusts.
Dang.
Move indoors
Yes.
immediately and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. For East